Top 5 tech questions answered. Technology evolves fast, and people often have burning questions about how to use it effectively. Let's break down 5 of the most common tech questions with clear, practical answers. 1. What's the difference between cloud storage and local storage? Local storage refers to saving files directly on your device, hard drive, SSD, USB. Cloud storage means saving files on remote servers accessed via the internet, Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox. Key takeaway: cloud storage offers accessibility and backup, while local storage gives speed and offline reliability. Most people use a mix of both. 2. How do I keep my phone secure? Use strong passwords or biometric locks. Enable two-factor authentication for accounts. Keep your software updated to patch security holes. Avoid downloading apps from unknown sources. Pro tip: regularly back up your phone so you don't lose data if it's compromised. 3. What's the difference between 4G, 5G, and Wi-Fi? 4G/5G, mobile network technologies. 5G is faster, with lower latency, designed for high-speed data and smart devices. Wi-Fi, local wireless network, usually connected to broadband internet. Key takeaway: Wi-Fi is best for home office use, while 5G is ideal for mobile connectivity on the go. 4. Is it safe to use public Wi-Fi? Public Wi-Fi is convenient but risky. Hackers can intercept your data. Safer practices: use a VPN to encrypt your connection. Avoid accessing sensitive accounts like banking on public Wi-Fi. Stick to HTTPS websites. Bottom line, public Wi-Fi is fine for casual browsing, but not for sensitive transactions. 5. Will AI replace human jobs? AI automates repetitive tasks, improves efficiency, and creates new opportunities. While some jobs may change or disappear, new roles in AI development, data analysis, and digital ethics are emerging. Key takeaway: AI isn't replacing humans. It's reshaping work. Upskilling and adaptability are the best strategies for the future. Wrap up. These 5 questions cover the essentials: storage, security, connectivity, safety, and the future of work. By understanding these basics, you'll be better prepared to navigate the tech-driven world with confidence.